morning, students. Today we are going to read a new chapter, chapter number 3, Three Men of Gotham. It is a very interesting story which we are going to read today. All of you be attentive and listen to it very carefully. There is a town in England called Gotham, and many merry stories are told of the queer people who used to live there. Okay, there is a town in England and the name of the town is Gotham, and many merry stories. What do you mean by the word merry? Okay, I am explaining this word to you. At the time of Christmas, we say Merry Christmas. So what does it mean? It means Happy Christmas. Happy Christmas or Merry Christmas are told of the queer people who used to live there. Again, there's a new word, queer. What do you mean by queer? Come to page number 20 in your book. You can see the words given here. Merry means cheerful. What do you mean by cheerful? It means to be happy. Queer means strange. What do you mean by strange? Something which is not usual, unusual, something which is very indifferent. Come to page number 18 again. Here you will see we were reading that the merry stories are told of the queer people who used to live there. So the happy stories, the cheerful stories about the people of Gotham were told. And what kind of people were living in Gotham? Queer people. It means the strange people, indifferent kind of people. One day, two men of Gotham met on a bridge. Okay? In the picture you can see there are two men. One is riding a horse, one is sitting on the horse, and the other one is standing in front of him. So the two men, they met on a bridge. Hodge was coming from the market and Peter was going to the market. Hodge was coming from market and Peter was going to the market. So what is the name of two men? One is Hodge and the other one is Peter. Where are you going? Said Hodge. So Hodge is asking a question. Where are you going? To whom he is asking this question? He is asking to Peter. I am going to the market to buy sheep, said Peter. So what is Peter saying? I am going to the market to buy sheep. Buy sheep, said Hodge, showing great surprise. So after listening this, the Hodge is surprised. He is saying, are you going to buy sheep? What do you mean by word surprise? Surprise means when something which we are not aware and it happens, we become surprised. Okay? How can this word be explained? Suppose you had your birthday and your mother planned a party for you without being told to you. When you went home, there were a lot of gifts, children, people, party decorations, so you will be surprised. So the Hodge was surprised after listening this that Peter is going to buy sheep from the market. And which way will you bring them home? So again Hodge is asking the question to Peter. How you are going to bring your sheep to the home? From which way? I shall bring them over this bridge, said Peter. Peter is saying, I will bring the sheep from this bridge, over this bridge. No, you shall not, said Hodge. So what is Hodge saying? No, you shall not bring your sheep from this bridge. Yes, but I will, said the Peter. So Peter is very determined and confident and he is saying, I will bring the sheep from this bridge only. You shall not, said Hodge. Again the Hodge is asking Peter not to bring the sheep from the bridge. I will, said Peter. So there is an argument going between Peter and Hodge against from where the sheep should be brought. Now come to next page. Then they beat their sticks on the ground as though there had been 100 sheep between them. What they started doing, both of them? Hodge and Peter, they started beating their sticks on the ground. Can you see in the picture? They both are having sticks in the hand and they're beating on the ground as though there had been 100 sheep between them. As there were sheep between them. Can you see anything in the picture? Is there something lying between both of them? No, nothing is there. Take care, cried Peter. Look out that my sheep don't jump on the bridge. So what is Peter saying? Take care, be careful, Hodge, that my sheep don't jump on the bridge. I care not where they jump, said Hodge, but they shall not go over it. So Hodge is saying, I don't care. I am not concerned about your sheep where they are jumping, but they shall not go over this bridge. But they shall, said Peter. The Peter is again saying, my sheep will go from this bridge only. Okay students, today we are going to read this much only. The remaining chapter we will be doing in the next class. So what you have to do, you have to read the chapter from the beginning. Okay, read it 1 time or 2-3 times. Try to understand its meaning, whatever been explained by the teacher, and even try to learn the meaning of the new words which are being told in the story. Try to find new words which you find that you have read for the first time. Okay, thank you.